Top 5 Best Sauté Pan. Let's get started with the list. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, Tefal Sauté Pan. A large 5-quart capacity makes this sauté pan an ideal choice for families. It also comes with a lid. A non-stick interior and exterior allows for less stressful cooking and cleaning. You can also cook your favorite meals without using much oil or fat. This Tefal pan features a durable aluminum construction that promotes even heat distribution. For more than 60 years, Tefal has aspired to make the lives of busy home cooks easier by providing ingenious, high-performing and user-friendly cookware that enables a shortcut to desired results every time. Pros: non-stick interior and exterior, 5-quart capacity, aluminum construction. Cons: some complaints about warping over time. Bottom is a bit thin, not dishwasher safe. At number 2, Cuisinart Chef's Classic Sauté Pan. An aluminum encapsulated base promises even heat distribution and thorough conductivity. This sauté pan features a generous 5.5-quart capacity along with a stylish mirror finish exterior. Other highlights include stay cool stainless steel handles and cover locks to keep moisture and nutrients from escaping. The pan is oven safe up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit. The 5.5-quart sauté pan with helper handle and cover is a supremely versatile pan. Twice high, straight sides and the flat cooking surface to maximize capacity. Pros: stay cool handles, oven safe up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit. Aluminum encapsulated base. Cons: a bit heavy, food tends to stick, cleanup can be tricky. At number 3, Tefal Non-Stick Pan. One of the most unique features of this sauté pan is its heat indicator, which lets you know when the pan is properly heated for cooking. The pan comes with riveted silicone handles for a more comfortable grip and is ideal for an array of cooking methods. This Tefal is 1.75 inches deep and features a scratch-resistant non-stick interior that is safe to use with metal utensils. The pan is oven-safe up to 400 degrees. The high-quality stainless steel base distributes heat evenly and is suitable for all cooktops, including induction. Pros: heat indicator, riveted silicone handles, oven safe up to 400 degrees. Cons: a few complaints that the bottom warps easily, not flat across the bottom. Several users note that it's slightly larger than 12 inches. At number 4, Cook's Standard Sauté Pan. Some complain that the surface can stain over time. This covered sauté pan features a 5-quart capacity, although a slightly smaller 4-quart version is also available. The handles are made with stainless steel and are riveted to stay cooler even when the pan heats up. Both the pan and lid are also made of stainless steel. You can use the pan in the oven up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. It's also dishwasher safe and safe for induction cooking. Secure fitting lid traps in heat and moisture, straight sides and flat surface to hold a large amount. Pros: riveted stainless steel handles, safe for the dishwasher and induction cooking. Durable stainless steel construction. Cons: certain foods can stick to the bottom, a bit heavy. At number 5, Emerald Lagasse Sauté Pan. If you're tired of having to lift off the lid when you're cooking, you'll appreciate the tempered glass lid on this sauté pan. This 5-quart pan is large enough to cook for a family, but smaller sizes are available if you need a smaller capacity. Highlights include a heavy-gauge aluminum construction and non-stick coating. The pan is oven-safe up to 450 degrees, while the lid is oven-safe up to 350 degrees. The pan is also dishwasher-safe. This 5-quart Emerald Lagasse hard anodized covered deep sauté pan is a generously sized pan. It is perfect for braising, stewing, or cooking one-pot meals for a crowd. Pros: dishwasher-safe finish. Tempered glass lid, comes in several sizes. Cons: lid handles can get hot, heavy. Some note there are hot spots. So if you want to buy these products, check link in the description box.